Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and confirming account access. Backup photos, contacts, and app data now to Google or an SD card because factory reset erases everything. Once done, make sure the phone has at least 50% battery or keep it plugged in to avoid interruption. Next, confirm your Samsung or Google account credentials and the device unlock method. You will need them after reset. Now power off the device and prepare to enter recovery or settings mode as the first actionable step. You now perform the reset. If the phone boots, go to Settings, General Management, Reset, then Factory Data Reset, and follow the prompts. This is the simplest route. If it won't boot, boot to recovery mode by pressing the specific button combo for your model, commonly volume up plus power. Then use volume keys to highlight wipe data/factory reset and power to confirm. Be methodical. Read each confirmation screen and accept only when you intend to erase the device. Once the reset finishes, select Reboot System Now and wait. You will see the initial setup screens. You will sign in with your Google or Samsung account to re-enable protections and restore backups if available, so have credentials handy. If something goes wrong, such as boot loops or reset failures, try entering recovery again to perform another wipe, or use Samsung's Smart Switch or Odin to reinstall official firmware. Key tip: if you hit factory reset protection, use the original account credentials to unlock the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.